let's make air fryer chicken tenders. So what we're gonna do is just mix up some spices with panko breadcrumbs. We've got some paprika and garlic powder, and then just some salt and pepper to taste. So however much you like. And we're gonna mix that all together. Just make sure that it's incorporated so that they get spiced evenly. And then you're going to take your chicken breast tenders and a scrambled up egg, and we're gonna dip the tender into the egg, get it wet. And then we're gonna dip it in the breadcrumbs to make sure that it's completely coated so that it will be nice and crispy. And then place it in a prepared air fryer basket. So when you place these in, you just wanna make sure that they're not too crowded and kind of touching each other. We wanna keep a little space in between so that the hot air has room to move around. And then we are going to place them in the air fryer on that upper level. And air fry for about 10 minutes. We're gonna turn them over halfway between. So after about 5 minutes, I am going to pull these out. And they're already getting nice and brown on that side, so we're gonna turn them over so that they can cook evenly. We're gonna put this back in. And cook for another 5 minutes, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it just to make sure. So once those are done, take them out, make sure that they're done inside, and they look delicious. Nice and crispy chicken tenders, super quick and easy.